Here are 5 courses that you, as a tailor, can take to complement your tailoring skills. 1. Designing for the fashion industry, from concept to consumer. This course provides a comprehensive understanding of the fashion design process, from concept development to marketing. It will enhance your design abilities, allowing you to create unique and marketable clothing. 2. Fashion merchandising and marketing, business. You can dive into the business side of the fashion industry with this course. Topics covered include branding, marketing strategies, and retail merchandising. It will equip you with the knowledge needed to effectively promote and sell your creations. 3. Sustainable fabric technology and textile technology. Understanding textiles is crucial for tailors. This course delves into fabric production, characteristics, and sustainability. It will help you make informed decisions when selecting materials for your designs. 4. Management of fashion and luxury brands, business. Learn the ins and outs of running a fashion brand in this course. Explore consumer behavior, brand identification, and strategies for establishing and maintaining a successful fashion business. 5. Computer-aided design, CAD, for fashion design and pattern making. Embrace the power of technology in fashion design. This course teaches you how to use CAD software to design, create patterns, and visualize your finished products. It will enhance the accuracy and efficiency of your design process. These courses go beyond your tailoring expertise, providing you with a well-rounded skill set. You'll be able to expand your creativity, develop business acumen, understand textile technology, master brand management, and leverage CAD tools for effective design and pattern making. You can get these courses on www.coursera.com or any other platform, including YouTube. You can also come back to this channel in the future for some of these. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.